In this quick video, you'll learn how to replace the battery in your Chevy Tahoe key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very simple. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and the only things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to find one, go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars. Now, just jumping right into it, the first step is just to find the button on the bottom of your device over here on the left side. You can see that silver button there. Hold that down while you pull out the internal key. And now from here, grab your flathead screwdriver, and we're looking for this indentation right in the middle. So here's the keyhole. There are two little indentations on the top right there and there. We don't want those. We want the one right below it. Right in there. You're just going to insert your flathead screwdriver into that area. And once it is firmly in there, just hold the device gently and give a little twist. You'll just twist gently until you feel it crack open, and from there just pull the back off with your fingers. There we go. Now you can set the front of the device down, and we can work on the battery over here. We're just going to use the same screwdriver to come in on the sides where there are these little indentations in the bottom. Just use the corner of your flathead to get under the battery and lift it up. Once it clicks out, you can go ahead and dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in there, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. Will not work if it is facing the wrong way, so just kind of line it up in the housing and snap it into place. All we need to do now is put this back together, which is very simple. Just line it up, set them on top of each other, and squeeze it back together. Of course, you can just pop your key right in there, and with that, you are finished. You got a new battery in there, and you are good to go. I hope that video was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.